morning and welcome to my adventures. Hi, I'll take you through the land of the dragons.
Let's go!
Let's go! Everyone, if you're hot, you can go to the water park right there.
Where do you want to start?
We'll start up the stairs, everyone.
Alright, let's do it.
We'll go up the stairs, everyone. You can get up the stairs, everyone. Hi, everyone. Here we go up the steps. And you can actually tell we're getting higher and higher. We're getting a little bit higher, so in my adventure at Busch, Williamsburg, so we're at the top, and I thought I seen you earlier. And we're actually getting higher, and there's Griffin right there. That was nice. The sun's really bright.
Here's the boat ride.
Yeah, the boat ride's down there. The boat ride's right down there, everyone.
Yeah, there you go. Okay, let's keep going.
We kept going up the stairs. And then let's give a drive. And everyone wave at them. You can see the view. And they met over there. The sit down boys. Oh my, it's hard to see.
Where do you want to go?
We can get this.
Go for it.
And then we can come back. We're going across the net, everyone. And this is fun. And this is actually fun. So here we go down. So this is good. So you can probably take that there. There's a water park down there. If you're hot, you can go down there and get some cool water on you. We can go back that way, Mom.
You don't want to get back down there. You want to get back down there? Okay, go for it.
Okay, yeah.
Wow.
Okay, here we go, guys. Back up the net, everyone, kids. Go, buddy.
Good job.
And you're okay going up the net. It's very fun. Yeah.
Awesome. Show the house in there.
Okay. Okay. So then here's the fun how we're in this lesson.
Do you remember?
I don't remember. Tall phone? Yeah.
It's pretty cool. Be like. Alright, now where do we want to go?
We could just show them One's Monster. We could show them One's Monster.
Want to go this way?
Is that what this way is?
Let them have their turn, okay?
Okay. Oh, here we go, everyone. We're going this way to show you One's Monster. We'll viewing, watch One's Monster. Not here. But here come the next car. Come over us. They're coming. And just wait for a second. They might come up by. You hear that one rumble? That's One's Monster. That rumble is One's Monster. That rumble. If you hear that rumble, that's One's Monster. From the Buygrad Dragon Park. You hear that rumble. Yeah. Here we go. So we can take you.
Go for it, buddy.
two. We're going across the big net, guys.
Awesome.
Okay, next thing, this is the spot where you want to watch One's Monster. I'm sure you about to watch it. Follow me. Follow me, and you'll see me there.
Hey, what's that mean? Sorry about that. He thought you were me. You're alright.
So, hey,
I think they might be coming through here in a second. You want to wait for him?
yeah. Okay, you can wait right here for them, okay?
Here they come.
There they go right there. There they go right there.
That was awesome. Now where do you want to go?
I'll show the kids, the little kids.
Go get him. See Daddy down there?
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh, sorry. 1, 2.
Careful.
1, 2.
Oh.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Nice. You want to go back up that side? Keep going.
Yeah. Here's the little entrance side.
Yeah.
And everyone, I'm just talking to kids. We're going up here. You might see one Monster come up there. If you have a little view right here, we can watch it. And that's so cool. And there's Moth Tower right there. Moth Tower right there. So we can go across that side. And we can go across here. And you can go across here. Not everyone. I was just showing the kids the way to go on here. So kids, you can go this way, and you just so you can go back down, but this was locked.
You can show them the little dinosaurs over here.
Yeah, you need those little dinosaurs.
Or the dragon ride. Excuse me.
Yeah,
Dragon ride over here?
yeah, those are little dragon kids down there. They're little kid rides down there. They're little kid rides.
Yeah. Alright.
Yeah. Okay, the camera got them.
You want to go back and watch Lockers come up again?
Yeah.
Let's go back over this way and go to the left side, huh?
Yeah.
Go for it.
And if that kid's watching. But we can definitely see from here. So, but hoping their train comes by. Oh, thanks. Got you back behind.
Awesome.
Look over here.
You're great. You're okay.
Okay, is your okay?
Oh, she's such a great girl. Great girl. Thank you.
Okay, guys, there's red light. There's red light. So we're watching the ride again, kids. So guys, I told you, they're coming up right here. There it goes, right there. Got ya! Oh, I think they wave at us. Sorry, kids, they didn't wave at us because they're just have fun. Yeah, you're right, Mom. It was fun. So everyone, if you have fun, just give me a thumbs up and
I did. Bye.